who doesn't love mangoes? And we can't have them all year round, right? So why not make some mango rolls? So for that we need mango puree, and I have listed the process. And now once they are sun dried, I'm going to show you how they turn around. Cut with a sharp knife over the edges and roll out your papad. It comes out very easily. Do not pour very thin while you're initially pouring it, otherwise it sticks to the plate. Don't forget to grease it very well also. So it should be this transparent when you peel it off. Now you can put this in chocolates by cutting small strips, or you could even roll it and make just mouth fresheners like I am doing. Roll it out. This is my little one helping me out making rolls. Now we're gonna chop them into equal size pieces approximately, and I'm gonna eat away whatever is not equal. So once they are nicely chopped, you can layer them together. I have made 2 papad tray rolls. So basically it will give me 10 to 15 slices depending upon the size you want to cut them. I have cut larger ones, so I have around 10 slices. So depending upon how small or big you want, you could chop them. Use scissors only, do not cut with a knife, otherwise they will tend to change their shape and it will give you a difficult time cutting. So once it's all done, this is how they will look. I'm going to put it on a plate and show you guys. Store in an airtight container. Until next mango season, enjoy these mango rolls. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for all new video notifications.